liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery.
Good evening, this is Mary Jane Marisol for CalJam News. Interpol is investigating various incidents of widespread elaborate tagging from across the world, from London to Egypt to Australia to China to the USA. It looks as though the perpetrator is intentionally vandalizing important landmarks in order to send a message. Billy D of California Jam, the world's largest chiropractic and natural health event, is suspected to be behind the defacements, and the markings seem to be promoting the 2019 event, which takes place February 22nd through the 24th, 2019 in Costa Mesa, California. Our news correspondent Kitty Galore is on the case in Huntington Beach. Kitty, what have you learned? Good evening, Mary Jane. We're here in Huntington Beach, California, a few miles away from the Segerstrom Center for the Arts where California Jam takes place. We just received an anonymous tip that this is the next location where our suspect in question is going to tag next. And it looks like we have arrived before our first responders. And look, oh. Billy D, is that you?
California Jam, Rebel Yell Tour, Rage Against the Machine, man.